Private health insurance. What is it and how does it help? Think of insurance as giving you peace of mind. If you have car insurance, if you get into an accident, you've got your car insurance policy to protect you. If you have home and contents insurance, it covers you for your place if it gets burgled, for example. Private health insurance is helping you protect your health. So you can take out a policy with insurance agents. They could be Allianz, CGU, Medibank, and what they can do in return for your premiums that you pay is give you coverage of a certain policy that you hold. So for example, if you decide to get private health insurance with extras, physiotherapy is one of those extras. So depending on your little booklet there that explains what benefits you have with whichever policy you decide to take up, you may have, say, $500 to spend in 1 year for massage, $500 to spend on physio. You might have a couple $100 for your chiro or your osteo. You might have dental. It could be for hospital coverage. It could be for ambulance. So really make sure you go through and check all the bits and pieces within your policy and what it covers, so that you know what you can, what services you can follow up on. Well, I hope you found this short video helpful. That's usually how private health insurance works. You have a premium that you may choose to pay monthly or yearly, and because of that premium, it gives you some benefits like being able to recoup costs of keeping on top of your dental, if you have glasses, if you want to try and get some massage, or you have an injury to rehabilitate through physio. You just got to make sure you're keeping track of how much you can rebate, is the rebatable amount, and that way, say for example here at physio, you would get your rebate back straight away from your insurer, and then you just pay for the out-of-pocket cost. Cheers, making healthy simple.